Okay, so the force of friction, the formula for it is the force of friction is mu times the reaction force. Well, if you've got some object like a block of rubber, okay, sliding across dry concrete, okay, this R force is just the force the surface exerts up, and it's identical to the weight. So gravity's pulling this down, okay. By the way, this thing is also pulling the Earth up. You know, that's kind of fun. But gravity's pulling this thing down. This thing reacts to that force and exerts a force upward. So in cases where it's a level surface like this, R is just the force of gravity. So it's mu times. And then it's just a matter of looking up the right mu, right? So we are starting to slide. That means it's a static coefficient, right? And it's rubber across dry concrete. So let's look for that. Here it is. And we're starting it, so our coefficient is 1.0. So mu is. So we're just simply going to go force of friction is mu times m times g. So it's 1.0 times 45 times 9.81. Is 4. So that's the force of friction. Basically, we'd have to exert a force equal to the weight of this object. This is with 3 sig figs. So